On the next Quilt Show, our guest Kate Colleran was a visitor for us a year ago, and we learned that she has so much to share, we've invited her back.
While she's known for her work with braids, she also has a lot of quilterly tricks right up her sleeves.
But first, Kate will show you how to make braids when you want to vary the width of the strips without ending up with a wonky mess.
Plus, she put together a sampler quilt with a bunch of different sized blocks that left us scratching our heads. How did she put it together? She shows us her secret. And it's in the seams. That's a hint.
Then, Denver quilt teacher Jenny Kae Parks has gone bonkers for machine bindings. From failings to fabulous finishes, Jenny Kae wants you to get excited about beautiful bindings.
Two teachers who know how to easily complete what seems to be really difficult. On the next Quilt Show.